remember back when you and daddy had no money. Mommy wrapped the Christmas presents up and stuck them on the tree. This is somewhat of them from me, cause daddy couldn't buy them. I'll never forget that Christmas I sat up the whole night crying. Daddy felt like a bum, see daddy had a job to keep the food on the table for your mom. At the time, every house we lived in either kept getting broken into or robbed or shot up on the block. And your mom was saving money for you in a jar, trying to start a piggy bank for you to go to college. Almost had $1,000 till someone broke in and stole it. And I know it hurt so bad it broke your mama's heart. And it seemed like everything was just starting to fall apart.